Let's look at how you can create road markings directly inside your CAD environment. We'll cover line markings, crosswalks, area markings, and lane symbols, showing a complete workflow for creating clear, accurate, and standards-ready markings. First, we'll start by drawing line markings. Go to the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon and select the Line Markings command. The command line asks us to select a line marking, polyline, alignment, or feature line. We'll select a polyline in the drawing. In the Line Markings dialog, you can choose from various types of line markings. For the purpose of this example, we'll go with a broken yellow line. Here, you can also adjust the style of the selected line marking or define a new one. Select plus to create a new line marking template or X to delete it. You can also change its description, shape, starting point, length, gap, layer, and more. You can even define the start and end station of your line markings. We'll adjust the gap distance from 30 to 10. Because the auto preview option is already enabled, we can see changes update in real time. Once we are happy with the result, we press OK. To draw a new line marking, we simply press Enter to repeat the command. We select a different polyline. This time, we'll define the end station, while keeping the start station at 0. As before, we adjust the gap distance and select OK. Now, let's create a zebra crossing. To do this, run the Cross Markings command from the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon. The command line asks us to specify the guide points, so we select the start and end point of our crossing. We then specify its direction. We'll choose perpendicular. The new dialog box opens. As before, you can select from different templates or create a new one. We'll select a crosswalk and adjust its width, gap, and length. Since the auto preview option is already enabled, we can see all the changes in real time. We repeat the process for the second crossing. Now let's move on to area markings. Select the area marking command from the ribbon and select a closed polyline or area marking entity in the drawing. This defines the boundary of the road island. Next, specify 2 orientation points to control the direction of the pattern. This ensures accurate alignment with the road geometry. To preview the changes in real time, we turn on the auto preview option. Again, you can select from different templates or create a new one. We'll create a crosshatch marking and adjust its shape. Once we are happy with the result, we press OK. We'll finish our road design with lane markings. Select lane markings from the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon. In the dialog box, you can choose the desired marking from the library, adjust its parameters, and assign layers. We'll select a lane reduction arrow and click Insert to define its position and rotate it in the drawing. Need more? Press Enter to repeat the command and select a new lane marking. From lines and crosswalks to areas and lane symbols, Kobi Signs Stripes lets you create and adjust road markings accurately and efficiently, all directly within your CAD environment.